if you really probe student learning, it turns out to be alarmingly fragile in some very basic ways. As an instructor, I can either say my class is really rigorous, so students inevitably are going to have these difficulties, or I can ask, would better teaching methods improve these outcomes? In 2011, I started exploring this by asking in class the kind of real-world problems that I knew exposed students' conceptual gaps. Specifically, I set up an online platform where students would answer using their smartphone or laptop in real time, so I could see what every student was actually thinking on every concept every day of class. For the first time, I had the data and the platform for being able to diagnose their underlying conceptual errors and tell them how to fix them. The results surprised me. For over 10 years, this course had always had a 50% attrition rate. Basically, when the equation started, second week or third week, students would drop, so that only 20 to 30 students actually completed the course. But after the switch in 2011, we basically doubled the number of students completing the course. And when you look at the actual week one versus final completion numbers, it is accomplished by reducing the attrition rate from about 40 to 50% of the students dropping, as we had in previous years, to basically only about 10% of the students failing to complete the course. And in terms of the actual scores, the students who used to drop, whom I would consider the bottom half of the class, are now scoring approximately where the top half of the class used to score. Actually, in the case of undergrads, the class mean overall has actually gone up significantly.